Hi there. I'm showing how to use the HTML email template on Outlook on Mac and Windows and also on Outlook Online, Outlook.com. So this is our HTML template. Before proceeding, I want to share some limitations of HTML template and Outlook. If you use Outlook to send a HTML template, it can manipulate the code and the layout can become a fixed tweet, and some other issues like adding underlines to the text link and some double spacing on mobile devices can occur depending on the version and the operating system you use. From our test, the Microsoft Outlook 16 on Mac and Outlook.com online works best, and the Microsoft Outlook on Windows platforms is not good as the one on Mac and the Outlook.com. So to use the HTML template on Outlook, Mac Outlook, you have to go to Compose and double click on the file HTML file to open it on any browser. After that, you have to copy the layout. To copy the layout, press Command A and Command C respectively and go to Outlook and press the paste. That's it. I can send a test mail to myself and check what happens. Okay, there, here it is. It's almost fine. You can make the text changes on the Mac Outlook very easily, just clicking on it on the text and add your new text. But to change the images, you have to do it in any code editor or with the HTML file, because this can manipulate the code and change the layout a little if you do inside the Outlook platform. This is not the ideal way to change the images from here. So I'm showing you the easiest way how to change an image from a code editor. You can use any free code editor like Brackets or Notepad++ to make the changes. So I'm using the Brackets to open it on the Bracket. Right click and open it on the Bracket platform, and then just suppose you want to change this image. You need to click on this, right click and copy image link, and here you can just press Command F, or if you're on Windows, press Control F to find the image path and pass the link that you just copied here, and you have to replace this link with a new image. HTML images requires the online images, the hosted images. You can host it at your web browser or web hosting, or you can use any public image hosting like IMGO or Postimage, or I'm using the MailChimp. This images never expires, so you can use MailChimp as well. I'm just making a test using a test image now. Suppose I want to change the image with this placeholder one. So suppose I want to change this image. Copy image link, find it here, and change it from here. And just refresh it to check the change. Yes, the change is applied. So how you need to change the images? One important thing you have to keep in mind while changing out the image is you have to insert the image height and width properly in the HTML. So here is our image. How can I know that the image's height and width? right click on image where when you have it opened on any browser, then click on the inspect and hover over this code, and you will see here the height and width appears like this: 400 and 166. That means 167. So you have to insert it here, 400 and 167. That you have to do, otherwise Outlook may render this image incorrectly. For the links, you can just copy the this area and find it on the code and change the link from here. This is the easiest way to change the images and using it. After that, you can just copy and import on your Outlook the new images. Here you can see. For Outlook Online, I'm just sending myself a test mail. To use this on Outlook Online, you have to write down something here. I'm just writing A, right click, go to inspect. Here you see the A, right click, select edit as HTML, replace the A with the code of your HTML template. How to find the code of HTML template? You can just open it on any browser, go to view page source, press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, or if you're on Mac, press Command A and Command C respectively, and then go to here, mark the A or something else you wrote, then press the first and click on the white area, and you see the template is here. The browser copy pasting will not work. You have to copy the code for the Microsoft Outlook Online like this. And I'm just sending myself a test mail and I'm checking what happens. It came through very well as it should. So this is how you have to do in Microsoft Outlook on Mac and the Outlook Online. For the Outlook on Windows, the same process like on what I did for Outlook desktop software here. So you have to just open it on Firefox. Don't use any other browser to copy the layout. Just use, open Firefox, press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy this thing and go to Outlook on your Windows. The similar window you will see on Windows, and press new email and paste it here by Control V or right click paste. That's it. But on Windows Outlook, it manipulates the code and you will see some extra spacing on mobile, and the text link can be underlined, or this curve should be rectangular, should become rectangular on the Windows Outlook. There's some limitations and we have to work with that. Thank you, and please put your comment and I'll help with any of your questions.